Lillian Cabinets, your one-stop shop for all things cabinetry. The following instructions will help ensure proper installation of a waste container kit for a 21-inch base cabinet. If you are installing the kit in an 18-inch cabinet, please see our other informational video. The waste container kit will need to be reconfigured to fit the 21-inch base cabinet. To do this, loosen the screws, remove and exchange the left and right brackets. Make any necessary adjustments to the cabinet door to be sure that the door is straight and maintains the proper margins on each side of the cabinet. Place the unit inside the cabinet and bring it forward, flush with the face frame. Use a tape measure to center the unit and a level or straight edge to ensure that the unit will line up flush with the cabinet door. Next, you will need to use two 5/8-inch pan head screws to temporarily install the unit to the floor of the cabinet. This will put the brackets in the correct position for mounting to the cabinet door. Using a pencil, mark all 6 holes onto the door. Now remove the 2 pan head screws and the unit from the cabinet to allow for removal of the cabinet door and hinges. Using a 1/16 drill bit, drill a shallow hole into the pencil marks you created on the back of the cabinet door, being careful that you are drilling into the thick portion of the cabinet door frame. Return the unit to the cabinet and realign with the holes previously drilled into the floor of the cabinet. Screw into place with all 5 5/8-inch pan head screws. Place the cabinet door against the trash unit and line up the pre-drilled holes. Attach the door using all 6 1/2-inch screws. Add the waste containers and install the door pull of your choice to the top center of the cabinet. Lillian Cabinets, the unique, affordable, and high-quality cabinets you've been searching for.